2026 Red Budget app. I'm Yasmin.
I'm Samir Khan.
I'm Ronaldo.
I'm Taylor.
And we're here to present Budgetwise, our project for the semester. And we have our table of contents. We're kind of going to go over what we're going to present today. So kind of going into what Budgetwise is. Budgetwise is an app which makes budgeting simple for both college students and new grads. It's going to help build healthy money habits early, and it's going to focus on real expenses like rent, tuition, groceries, and it's going to give resources for financial literacy to help improve. So some of our main features in the app include budget tracking, credit card details, track spending, and loan reminders.
Now we'll give you a brief overview of our software development lifecycle, which includes the requirements document, design document, and development document. Starting with requirements, we went over things such as constraints, like we wanted it to work on both iPhone and Android. It needed to work no matter the state of the phone, if it was charged or fully charged. We also went into use cases such as the budgeting, loan tracking, reminders, and things like that. And then you can see our data flow chart on the side here.
Since we are a 5-person group, we had to add an extra scope, and we decided to go with an accessibility feature, which is dark mode. And going into our design, we have our prototype mockups here on the side. For our architecture, we decided to go with React Native. Some key features, we have our login page, our budget page, and our profile page. And we really wanted to make this interface easy to follow.
With our development document, we really gave a page-by-page breakdown of all the technical details. We showed the database connections, which we'll get into more on the next slide, and we also gave how to set up the app.
For our database connections, we decided to go with Plaid, and it's going to make it easier for users to connect bank accounts securely onto the app. And for cybersecurity purposes, we decided to go with Firebase, and this will handle the user sign-ins and logins.
Okay, and this is going to be the little demonstration. Instead of talking over all the other slides, I can just show you how it's all done. Basically here, we're just creating the account. This will all just connect through Firebase. It'll create your account there, and anytime you want to log in, it'll just access it through Firebase, collect your details and data. And this is the login. Okay, and here we have the home page. These are all just the different features that we have, the budget page, the spending page. And then we're just going to link the bank account. For this one, we'll just pick American Express. You can just put in your details here. And then here you can select the type of account. Right here we have credit card. Okay, and we gathered the transactions, and then it'll populate the overall page. And then here's the credit card information. Here you'll just get the different information such as balance, minimum payment, due dates, recent transactions. And then next we have the create a budget page. Here you can just put in your income. You can put in any fixed expenses such as rent, phone, utilities, internet, insurance, car, or memberships. And then here you can add any variable expenses. Okay, and then once you're happy with your information, you can then submit it. And then here you get your overall budget summary. You'll have a bar, a tracking bar for each category that you added for the variable expenses. All your fixed expenses will automatically be taken out. And then here you can just add a transaction, put in the merchant name, the amount, and the category, and it'll update through your bars. As you can see here. And we have different colors for each bar. So basically it'll be green if you're under 50%. If it's between 50 and 90, it'll be yellow. 90 and 100, it'll be red. And then over 100, it'll become a dark red. And you can see their updates automatically. And then you can also remove them from down there. And it'll also update. All right, and then here's basically all your transactions that you made so far. And right there, you can see the updated list. And this is the settings. And then here you can activate dark mode. And yeah, that's basically the main overview of all the main features.
So in conclusion, we basically went over the SDLC documents, the database connection, and the page-by-page breakdown. At the end, we showed you demonstration how the app is utilized, and it's, as you can see, it was very easy to use. So any age is possible for this the use of this app, but we are marketing this obviously towards like college students that are like about to graduate, get jobs, that are need help managing their money, and etc.
Thank you.